Alright, this is how you can track Kaspa wallet holdings for cryptocurrencies completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Go to cas.fyi and go to the dashboard or the home screen and click right here in the middle part of the screen, and you can paste a Kaspa cryptocurrency address, and then you can click on the address like so. And as you can see, this will track everything in this wallet's address. This person is holding $788,000, and you can even see what other tokens that they may or may not have. As you can see right here, you can see how many transactions that this person has, more or less, give or take. You can even take a look at the token transfers if they were to transfer or receive some things, more or less, give or take, completely for free. The next website is explore.kaspa.org. Again, you can copy and you can paste a Kaspa cryptocurrency address, and this will pop up. As you can see, this is KuCoin wallet, the same wallet that we just see. They're holding $788,000 worth of Kaspa, and you can take a look at all of the details of the transactions and how much it's being sent or how much is not being sent, more or less, give or take, online completely for free.